The CSX 2310 train has unstoppable. I better go to the White House.
Hi. President speaking.
Hi President, we got bad news.
Okay, what happened?
The train CSX 2310 has unstoppable.
Oh my god. Okay Cody, I send emergency alert system. Go home now.
Okay.
Civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. At around 7:35 p.m., Cody Anderson has discovered the train CSX 2310 has unstoppable with 40 cars. Frank Barnes will Coulson and Caillou in the train named CSX 2460 locomotive has joined the chase. Do not panic. Panicking will only make the situation worse. Stay tuned for more updates and information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. All clear. I repeat. All clear. Rosie and Gina has successfully to stop the CSX 2310 locomotive. CSX workers has called her parents to unground Rosie and Gina. Thank you and have a nice day.